I know you're excited, but let's talk about the things that you need to know first. Besides the fact that it's free, you can also use this wherever you are as long as you have the device and an internet connection. The first thing that you'll need is a PayPal account because this is where you'll get your money. If you don't have one yet, let me show you how to create a PayPal account. Search for their website address in your browser, which is paypal.com. Once you're on their homepage, click the Sign Up button. There'll be a pop-up and you should choose Personal Account. After that, just fill out the information that you must provide. Now we're going to talk about the first website that'll help you earn more money. This is called SpyFu. This website basically helps their clients generate more traffic to their Google or website advertisements. You'll see here the search marketing secrets of your competitors. You'll be able to look at various websites and see all the terms that they've used, each ad variation they run, and every location they've been to. This will literally help you apply others' techniques to your own website. Although the website asks its clients to pay a small amount of money, this will not be the case with you. I guarantee that you won't have to spend a single penny to make money through this site. If you're on the SpyFu website already, you should go to the bottom of the page and click on the one that says Affiliates. This website has been so effective that it's actually good to promote as an affiliate. This actually pays out commissions at a rate of 40%. Is it confusing? Well, that only means that if you're able to introduce this website to someone and refer them to it, you can get 40% of their payment if they pay for a year. If you ask me, it's not really that hard. If you're wondering how you can get more people on the website and how you can actually turn them into paying clients, then don't fret, because I've got some tips for you later on. You can browse the page and you'll find more interesting facts and information about their affiliate program. You can get paid if someone clicks on your affiliate link and signs up within 365 days because they have a 365-day monitoring cookie. I mean, anyone that has your link doesn't have to sign up right after you send it to them. They still have 365 days and you'll get paid right after they sign up. You'll also receive your payment through wire transfer or PayPal. As I told you, a PayPal account is essential. The clients of this website actually stay and continuously use SpyFu once they're in. It means that the person that used your link has a very high possibility of using this website for a very long time, meaning more money for you. If you've already understood that information, you can now go back to the top of the page and click the button that says Start Earning Every Month. This will give you your own affiliate link. This website offers 3 options that clients can choose from. There are basic, professional, and team plans. They can choose between monthly and annual payments, and they're both available in the 3 plans. Annual payments are way cheaper than the monthly option. Their professional plan is actually the plan that's most commonly used and available because its price is reasonable. Not too expensive, but not too cheap either. Let's do some math and try to see your potential income from your affiliate link. If there are 10 people that click on your link and choose the professional plan with annual payments, that means the cost will be $7,900 in total. As I've said, you'll get 40% of that payment, so you'll get paid an amount of $3,200. I bet you know the potential of earning lots of money through this website. You'll just simply share links and then you'll instantly have more money. The question right now is, how are you going to make people click on your link and sign up for the website using your affiliate link? Because, as you can see, it's obvious that getting more people on board increases your chances of making more money. The real task that you're going to have is to convince more people to sign up and get a plan on the website we talked about. In order for you to generate more traffic, you should first go to google.com. This is the crucial and important part if you want to maximize your earnings in SpyFu. If you're already in your Google browser, then you should type weight loss in the search bar. You should find and choose articles that have advertisements. Those advertisers are the people that might potentially sign up using your link. Another tip I'll give you is to look for articles or websites on the third or second page of the results provided by Google. The ad providers in the articles on these pages are not as well known as the ad providers in the articles that appeared on the front page. By recommending SpyFu website to them, you're actually assisting them in becoming more recognized and ranking higher in search results. Of course, you'll be giving them your affiliate link. After some scrolling and when you already have the ad provider you want to turn into a customer, you should contact them through their email. You can even call them if you have the means to. When you're reaching out to them, you should be clear with your message. You should clearly state the features of the website you're recommending and convince them that their advertising firms will benefit from it. Tell them more about the pricing and suggest the best plan you think will fit their company. We're not done yet with the tips because I have another one. You can also search for the website address called infinitesuggest.com. This is another way of finding or getting people to sign up using your link. This is actually helpful because you can get Google keyword recommendations through this website. We will once again search for weight loss in the search bar, and it will automatically give you numerous results. There are different advertisements in each of the results. That only means that you can promote and convince more ad providers to pitch the website that can help them rank in searches. You can click on each one of them and send them messages. You'll never run out of people to convince, and well, you can do this anytime you're free. Maybe all the advertisers you'll message will click on your link while you're sleeping. This will earn you money automatically. There's always no harm in trying out these things. You won't lose anything because you won't be paying for anything. If you're looking to build more income streams, then you should definitely try what I've shared in this video. It's easy and simple. Imagine having no limit on what you can earn, and the fact that you don't have to do this every day for long hours is a big win. And that wraps it up for today.